Hi there everyone. So I'm using this 5x5 inch wood block and I'm using Folk Art chalk paint in Sandstorm. This is Kim from Expression Artworks. Thank you for joining me. So all I needed was one coat. What's really nice about chalk paint is most of the time the one coat adheres really well. So I just made sure I did the surface and the sides, and I'm using this transfer from Vintage Heirloom Treasures by Essential Stencil. And I'm going to be using this garden one. I really love that vintage vibe and the roses all around the gate. And I'm also using Folk Art chalk paint in Vintage Victorian. And the way I'm doing this is just adding a little something extra to the edges and the corners. Almost think about if you were adding wax to your piece to age it. So instead of using the wax, I'm choosing this light color. And I chose the pink because of the pink floral in the transfer. I thought it would just go well together. And I'm just using a simple sponge technique. And you could do as little or as much as you like. I'm also an affiliate with Essential Stencil, so I always leave the link and my discount code in my description, so you could always go check that out. They have really great stencils and transfers and also brushes. So here it is all cut out. How pretty is that? And then all I had to do was peel away the backing and adhere it to my wood block. I just want to make sure I burnish it on really well, and I peel back slow. And as I'm peeling back, if I see some coming up, I just have my tool in hand to burnish it down. Thank you so much for watching.